Bitcoin's now above $30,000 again. However, I don't think this bullish run will last for much longer. Let's find out why. Okay, I'm going to start off with the commitment of trader. This is the most powerful trading data. In a simple term, I refer it as smart money. Last week, something really dramatic happened. This is the commercial position for Bitcoin future contract. Green line represent the long contract and the red line represent the short contract. So basically they've been putting money to buy Bitcoin and dropping to short Bitcoin. This looks like quite bullish. However, let me explain to you what could potentially happen. Back in 2021, you can see through here, they had something similar. Suddenly a surge on the long contract and a drop on the short contract. However, the long did not continue to go much higher and they dropped it straight away after, and prices dipped to 2022. So that is 2021. Similar things happen in early, or actually the middle part of 2021 as well. So when they surge up on the long contract and drop immediately, prices did retrace. So really need to see what's going to happen in the next 2 weeks data. Okay, if all of this is quite hard for you to follow, this Sunday I'm putting a live trading webinar. It's perfect for beginners to learn technical trading. I'll drop the link below in the description or a card up here so you can click that and join us live. It is at 10 a.m. Sunday UK time and on YouTube live. You can interact with me and see how we plan the market, and we'll talk about how to use technical trading more. All right, so look forward to seeing you guys there. Right, continuing, apart from the COT data, another powerful data from my good friend's website is the seasonal data. I said it multiple times, current year is a bit similar like the 2019 behavior. So as you can see from this seasonal data here, right? July make a little, maybe a lower high, price will start drifting lower until end of the year, may even carry out into early part of 2024. So my plan has not changed. I'm going to be short-term bearish and start accumulating maybe end of the year. Let's have a quick look on the technical chart then. Right, so this is the Bitcoin chart. I would recommend you guys use the weekly chart to do analyzing. We could still see price pop a bit higher into around this $35,000 area, and then price could slowly drift lower, but probably around the 20k area I will be looking to be a buyer. Would I short it if the right price action's right? Maybe, but I don't think it's going to be an easy short over here. So let's have a quick look on Ethereum as well. So Ethereum price action is not as bullish as Bitcoin, so we could see it come back to around the 2,200 and then drift lower. So I could sell Ethereum maybe compared to Bitcoin, but ultimately around the 1,300, 400 area, I'm happy to buy some and hold on to it until 2024. Other crypto related stocks such as Coinbase has enjoyed the rally a little bit as well from Bitcoin. However, if I can go to daily, you can see we are very much approaching the resistance area around the 80 something dollar area. So we could see that reject and then range around this area. So see if we can find support around 40, and I'll correlate that into my advantage to start buying Bitcoin. So the plan has not changed. I am short-term bearish. I don't trust this bullish move from cryptocurrency at the moment. Do you agree with my plan, or do you have any question? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.